This AI just cloned a voice perfectly using only 5 seconds of audio.
Underneath the courtyard is a large underground exhibition room which connects the two buildings.
Not only that, it can make that voice sound happy, angry, fearful, whisper, roar, or laugh on command. This is Step-Audio-EditX and it's completely free and open source. Let me show you what this can actually do before we get into how it works. Let me start with the most impressive feature, voice cloning from minimal audio. Here's a 5-second reference clip of someone speaking about political conservatism and Margaret Thatcher. Just 5 seconds.
His political stance was conservative, and he was particularly close to Margaret Thatcher.
Now watch what happens when we use that brief sample to generate completely different text about underground exhibition rooms connecting buildings.
Underneath the courtyard is a large underground exhibition room which connects the two buildings.
The cloned voice sounds identical to the original speaker. The tone, cadence, accent, and vocal characteristics are all captured perfectly from just that tiny 5-second sample. This level of accuracy from such minimal input is remarkable. Now let's see emotion control in action. Here's audio about finishing a project that sounds pretty neutral and robotic.
You know, I just finished that big project and feel so relieved. Everything seems easier and more colorful. What a wonderful feeling.
Now let's transform the same text to sound genuinely happy.
You know, I just finished that big project and feel so relieved. Everything seems easier and more colorful. What a wonderful feeling.
The difference is striking. The modified version conveys real cheerfulness and enthusiasm. This isn't just volume adjustment, it's authentic emotional expression in the voice. Let's try anger next. Here's audio about calling customer service that starts neutral.
Seriously, your call is very important to us. If it were important, you should pick up the phone. This is the last time I'm calling.
Now we'll transform it to sound angry.
Seriously, your call is very important to us. If it were important, you should pick up the phone. This is the last time I'm calling.
The anger sounds genuine. The tone sharpens, frustration comes through clearly, and the entire performance conveys real emotion rather than artificial processing. One more emotion, fear. Here's audio about a near-miss car accident delivered neutrally.
My heart is still racing. This car just blew through the red light. I had to slam on my brakes. I mean, a second later and it would have hit me.
Now we'll add fear to the delivery.
My heart is still racing. This car just blew through the red light. I had to slam on my brakes. I mean, a second later and it would have hit me.
The trembling vocals and heightened tension sound authentic. The AI understands how fear manifests in speech patterns and applies those characteristics convincingly. Beyond emotions, this AI can completely change speaking styles. Take normal speech about reassurance and safety.
I'm right here with you. You're safe. Everything is okay.
Then transform it into a whisper.
I'm right here with you. You're safe. Everything is okay.
That's a genuine whisper, not just reduced volume. The vocal quality changes completely to match real whispered speech. Now the opposite extreme, turning speech about broken promises into a roaring delivery.
Every single time, you promise change and deliver nothing. Every single time, you promise change and deliver nothing.
That's genuinely loud, forceful vocal performance. The entire vocal quality changes, not just the volume level. We can also make speech more exaggerated. Here's audio about an insane experience delivered normally, then transformed to be dramatically exaggerated.
This is literally the most insane thing that has ever happened to me in my entire life. This is literally the most insane thing that has ever happened to me in my entire life.
Every word gets more vocal energy and emphasis, creating legitimately theatrical delivery. Here's something really precise, inserting breathing sounds at exact points. Take this audio about catching a bus and add a breath at a specific moment.
I just ran to catch the bus and barely made it. I just ran to catch the bus and barely made it.
The breath integrates seamlessly, sounding completely natural rather than artificially added. The timing and quality match real human breathing during speech. This same precision works for laughter, pauses, and other vocal elements that make speech sound more natural and human. Now that you've seen what it can do, let me explain what makes Step-Audio-EditX different. This is the first open-source text-to-speech model using reinforcement learning training, similar to what DeepSeek did for language models. This training approach enables the model to optimize for natural-sounding speech rather than just imitating training examples. The result is more authentic emotional expression, better style control, and more natural voice cloning than traditional methods achieve. The model has 3 billion parameters, making it relatively compact compared to image or video generators. This smaller size means it can run on consumer-grade GPUs without requiring professional hardware. The architecture handles multiple capabilities within one unified system. Voice cloning, emotion control, speaking styles, and paralinguistic elements all work together seamlessly rather than requiring separate specialized models for each function. Step-Audio-EditX requires minimum 12GB VRAM with 16GB recommended for safer operation. However, text-to-speech models are small compared to image or video generators, so most modern consumer GPUs meet these requirements. The 3 billion parameter size is compact enough that you could potentially run this on lower VRAM through CPU offloading techniques. The community will likely create optimizations for even more modest hardware as adoption grows. All installation instructions, documentation, and additional demo examples are available through the GitHub repository. The setup process is straightforward if you have compatible hardware. The documentation covers everything needed to get the system running locally. The open source nature means the community will create tutorials, optimizations, and extensions. As more people use and build on this foundation, capabilities will expand and accessibility will improve. For anyone working with voice synthesis, audio production, or accessibility tools, Step-Audio-EditX is worth evaluating. The combination of capabilities, quality, and open availability makes this a significant release in the text-to-speech field. If you want to stay updated on open-source AI audio tools and honest assessments of new technologies, subscribe to the channel. All links to the GitHub repository, technical documentation, and demo examples are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.